Hi everyone, Monisha here. In this video, I will be completing from question 9 to question 16. In my previous video, I had completed the first 8 problems of exercise 3.3. I will be continuing in this video. Kindly go through all the sums and practice it daily. Otherwise, it will be difficult for you to solve in your examination. Let us start the session. So let us move on to the ninth sum. The ninth sum is exactly same as that of the previous 8 sums. That is, we will be giving an equation where we have to prove it into the RHS. Okay, LHS and RHS, we have to make it after simplification. That should be 1. Okay, so here each and every segment we have to get the values for it first. Afterwards, we have to simplify it. So first, I'll be taking the first section, that is cos 3 pi by 2, because we don't have any values for this particular segment in table, trigonometric table. So first we have to find out the values for it, and only afterwards we can substitute it. Cos 3 pi by 2 plus x. So cos 3 pi by 2 plus x, here first we know the value of pi. Pi means 180. So pi is 180 degree. So we have to substitute that thing. So 3 into 180 divided by 2 plus x. Okay, so here 2 1s are 2 9s are 18. So 2 90s are 180. So here we got 3 into 90. So 3 9s are 27. So 3 into 90 is 270. So 270 plus 6. Again, we don't have a value for 270 degree. Okay, or else we don't know directly how to write for that. So at that case, what we have to do, we need to subtract it. That is 360 minus 90. 360 minus 90 is 270. Okay, instead of 270, we can write it as 360 minus 90 plus x. So next what we have to do is, we know that pi is 180. If pi is 180, 2 pi is equal to 360. That is 180 into 2 is 360. So pi is 180 and 2 pi is 360. So in order to make the solution easier, I will take 2 pi instead of 360. And here minus 90 and plus x is there. So I will take first plus x and minus 90 degree. Okay. So I just interchange the numerals here. So next what happens? Here it will be 2 pi plus, in the bracket I will be writing x minus 90. Okay. So next there is a formula in trigonometric functions, that is cos 2 pi plus x. Okay, so cos 2 pi plus x is always equal to cos x. So this is a formula, cos 2 pi plus x is equal to cos x. So here also cos 2 pi plus x, this whole term is considered as x here. Okay, so cos 2 pi plus x is cos x, this whole term will be x, not only this one, the whole term will become x. So instead of this line, we can write it as cos x, x is x minus 90. Okay, so cos x minus 90. Next, there is no value for x minus 90, so we need to interchange it again. So don't get confused, we have to do this in order to get the correct value. So what I will do is, I will take minus common. Okay, so when I take minus common, minus into plus, here plus is there. So minus into plus will be minus x, and minus into minus will be plus 90. So I will be taking 90 here. Okay, minus into minus plus 90. And minus into plus minus x. Okay, so I have just interchanged this cos x minus 90 as cos minus of 90 minus x. Again, there is a formula. If you remember, there is a formula called cos of minus x. So cos of minus x is always equal to cos x. Okay, so cos of minus x, this whole term will be x here. So cos of minus x will be equal to cos x. So this cos minus of 90 minus x will become cos 90 minus x, because cos of minus x will be cos x itself. Next, cos 90. If a complement term comes, means cos will change into sin. Okay, so cos 90 minus x will become sin x. Fine. So this is the value for cos 3 pi by 2 plus x. Cos 3 pi by 2 plus x is also equal to sin x. I will write it down here. So cos 3 pi by 2 plus x is equal to sin x. So we got the value for first segment. Next there is 2, 3 and 4. So second, I will be taking this cos 2 pi plus x. So cos 2 pi plus x, we know the value already, that is cos 2 pi by 2 pi plus x is always cos x. So write it down directly, cos x. Another one, this one I will be taking here. So third one, cot 2 pi plus x. This is also the same case. So cot 2 pi plus x is also equal to cot x. Okay. Next, the last segment, this one. So cot 3 pi by 2 minus x. So we have to do it in the same way as per the first segment. Okay. So cot, here it will become 3 into 180 by 2 minus x. So here 2 ones are, 2 nines are. So it will become cot 270 minus x. Okay. So cot 270 minus x. Again, what you will do? You will change into 360 minus 90, and here minus x is there. Instead of 270, we are writing it as 360 minus 90. Okay. Minus x. So next, cot, instead of this 360, I will be changing it into 2 pi. Next, after 2 pi, I will be taking minus common. So when I take minus common, it will become 90 plus x, because I have taken minus common here. Okay. So next, what happens? We know that cot 2 pi minus x. Here, cot 2 pi plus x is plus cot x. But cot 2 pi minus x will be minus cot x. Okay. You have to understand all the variations here. Cot 2 pi plus x is plus cot x, and cot 2 pi minus x is minus cot x. So it will become minus cot x. So it will become minus cot, here cot 2 pi minus x. So this x will come into place, that is 90 plus x. Okay. So next, again we have to introduce a formula here, that is cot 90 plus theta. So cot 90 plus theta is equal to minus tan theta. So this is the formula, cot 90 plus theta, instead of x there is theta here. So cot 90 plus theta is equal to minus tan theta. So here already a minus symbol is there. Take it. First we have to write it, and again cot 90. This cot 90 will become minus tan. So this x we have to retain here. Okay. So minus into minus is plus tan x. So tan x is the value for 3 pi, cot 3 pi by 2 minus x. So this tan x is equal to cot 3 pi by 2 minus x. So since we got the value for all the sections here, we have to substitute. So first one, cos 3 pi by 2 plus x. So it is equal to sin x. So first I will be substituting sin x here into, so cos 2 pi plus x. So cos 2 pi plus x is cos x, and here there is a bracket. So cot 3 pi by 2 minus x is tan x, plus cot 2 pi plus x is cot x. Okay. So next we have to do further simplification. Here it is multiplication, sin x into cos x. The reciprocal of tan x is sin x by cos x, plus reciprocal of cot x is cos x by sin x. So here I will be taking the LCM part of it. Sin x into cos x will remain as it is. So here cos x and sin x both are LCM. Cos x into sin x both are LCM. So in the first section, cos x and cos x get cancels. Remaining will be sin x. So sin x into sin x is sin square x. In the same way, in the second section, the denominator sin x and here sin x will get cancels. Remaining will be cos x. Cos x into cos x is cos square x. Okay. So here it is into cos x into sin x. Here also cos x into sin x. So this both will get cancels. So remaining is sin square x plus cos square x. In trigonometric functions, there is an identity called sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. So hence proved. I hope you understood this. Moving on to the 10th problem. The 10th problem is sin n plus 1 x into sine n plus 2x plus cos n plus 1x into cos n plus 2x. After simplifying, we have to prove that it is equal to cos x. Okay. So we have to be memorized and good well versed with all the formulas which are in trigonometric equations and functions. If we don't have a well versed memorization with all these formulas, we can't do the problems properly. Okay. And here we have a formula called cos a minus b. So cos a minus b is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Okay. The given question is in this form, that is sin a sin b plus cos a cos b. Here a is equal to n plus 1x and b is equal to n plus 2x. The whole thing is equal to a and this whole thing is equal to b. So we can change this equation, that is sin n plus 1x into sin n plus 2x plus cos n plus 1x into cos n plus 2x. We can change this into cos a minus b. So this equation is also equal to cos a minus b, where a is n plus 1x, that is a, minus, and b is n plus 2x. Okay, this is cos a minus b. Okay. So next what we have to do is we have to multiply it and take out of the bracket. So n into x is nx plus x into 1 is x, minus is there. So minus n into x is minus nx, minus into plus minus x into 2 is 2x. Okay. So here plus nx and minus nx get cancels. So remaining will be cos x minus 2x. So what is x minus 2x? So x minus 2x is minus x. We know one more formula, that is cos of minus x is always equal to cos x, right? Therefore, cos of minus x is equal to cos x. That is the answer which we have to prove here, right? So write it down, hence prove. If you are well versed with all the formulas, then you can do the problems very easily. If not, you can't do the problems. So hope you understood these things. Let us move on to the 11th problem. The 11th question is, prove that cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x is equal to minus root 2 sin x. Okay. So I'll be taking LHS here. So before continuing the problem, we have to know a formula. So using formula, that is cos x minus cos y. Okay. There is a formula cos x minus cos y, which signifies minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. Okay, this is a formula. Cos x minus cos y is equal to minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. Okay, so here x is equal to 3 pi by 4 plus x. The whole term, this whole term is x and this whole term is y here. Okay, that is 3 pi by 4 minus x. So we have to substitute in the place of x and y both these terms, right? So I'll be substituting it. So this cos x minus cos y will become minus 2 sin. So here x is this whole thing, 3 pi by 4 plus x plus 3 pi by 4 minus x whole divided by 2. In the same way, into sin 3 pi by 4 plus x minus 3 pi by 4 minus x whole divided by 2. Okay, next we have to take out the elements from the bracket. So minus 2 sin 3 pi by 4 plus x plus 3 pi by 4 minus x whole divided by 2. So it will be sin 3 pi by 4 plus x. I'll be taking outside the bracket. So it will become minus into plus, minus 3 pi by 4 and minus into minus plus x whole divided by 2. So here plus x and minus x get cancels. Here plus 3 pi by 4 and minus 3 pi by 4 get cancels. So remaining 2 minus 2 sine. So 3 pi by 4 plus 3 pi by 4 will become 6 pi by 4 whole divided by 2. Here 2 3s are and 2 2s are. Okay, this much simplification you can do. Next, sine x plus x. X plus x is 2x whole divided by 2. Okay, this 2 get cancels. So what it has become? So it is minus 2 sine 3 pi by 2 divided by 2. So it is nothing but 2 by 1 and into sine x. So when I take the reciprocal of it, it will become 1 by 2 here into 1 by 2. Okay. So we can change it as minus 2 sine 3 pi by 4 into, because when it goes to reciprocal, it will become into 1 by 2. Okay. 2 will get multiplied. So 3 pi by 4 into sine x. Okay. Then we know that this pi is equal to 180, right? So minus 2 sine 3 into 180 divided by 4 into sine x. So here 4 1s are, 4 4s are 16. So 2 carry. So 4 5s are 20. Okay. So it will become minus 2 sine. So 3 into 45. So 3 into 45 is 135 degree into sine x. So in the trigonometric table there is no value for sine 135. So we have to reduce it. So it will become minus 2 sine 180 minus 45. Okay, 180 degree minus 45. 180 minus 45 is 135 into sine x. So next there is a formula, that is sine 180 minus theta or pi minus theta is equal to sine theta. Okay, sine 180 is nothing but pi. Sine pi minus theta is equal to sine theta. So sine 180 minus theta will become sine theta. So here it will be minus 2 into sine 45 degree into sine x. So in the trigonometric table, if you see the value of sine 45, the value of sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Okay, we can substitute in the place of sine 45. It is minus 2 into 1 by root 2 into sine x. But here we have to calculate and prove that minus root 2x. If we simplify the whole thing, we have to get minus root 2x. So root should come here. Okay. So we know that 2 is also equal to root 2 into root 2, because root 2 into root 2 will become root 2 whole square. When square and root get cancels, it will become 2. So 2 is just a plain 2 is also equal to root 2 into root 2. So here a 2 is there. Instead of 2, we can write it as root 2 into root 2. So 2 is root 2 into root 2 and here 1 by root 2 into sin x. Okay. So here 1 root 2 get cancels. Remaining will be minus root 2 sin x. So whatever they have asked us to prove, we got that. So write it as hence prove. I hope you understood this. This type of problems are very important according to your board exams. Moving on to the 12th question. 12th question is prove that sin square 6x minus sin square 4x is equal to sin 2x into sin 10x. So this is the thing we have to prove here. The question is sin square 6x minus sin square 4x. So you can notice here this question is in the form of algebraic expression a square minus b square. So a square minus b square. So a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So we can split it into in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So it will become sin 6x plus sin 4x and sin 6x minus sin 4x. Okay. So a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Here a plus b, a minus b. Okay. So after this we have to recall a formula. Sin a plus sin b. So sin a plus sin b is equal to 2 sin a plus b by 2 into cos a minus b by 2. So this is a formula for sin a plus sin b. So that which is represent this equation, sin a plus sin b. So next another formula is there, that is sin a minus sin b. So sin a minus sin b is equal to 2 cos. So first we have to introduce cos here. If it is sin a minus sin b, first we have to introduce cos. If it is sin a plus sin b, then we have to introduce sin here. Okay. So 2 cos a plus b by 2 into sin a minus b by 2. So by using these two formula, so we have to substitute it for these two equations. So first one, it is sin 6x plus sin 4x. So it is in the form of sin a plus sin b. So it will become 2 sin a plus b by 2. So a is 6x and b is 4x. So 6x plus 4x by 2 into cos 6x minus 4x by 2. So next it will become 2 sin 10x divided by 2 into cos 2x divided by 2. So here 2 ones are 2 5s are, here 2 and 2 get cancels. So it will become 2 sin 5x into cos x. Okay, so 2 sin 5x into cos x. In the same way, the next equation also we have to change into this form. This is in the form of sin a minus sin b. So sin a minus sin b is equal to 2 cos a plus b by 2 into sin a minus b by 2. So it will become 2 cos 10x by 2. So here you can put a multiplication symbol because it is in multiplication form. Okay, into sin 2x divided by 2. Here also 2 5s are and 2 1s are. So it will become 2 cos 5x into sin x. So next what we have to do is, so we need to join these things. Okay, first is 2 sin 5x and this cos 5x. So I will be taking this 5x terms together. Okay, into 2 and x terms. 2 sin x is there, 2 sin x into here cos x. Hope you understood this. So 2 sin 5x and cos 5x, again this 2 sin x and cos x, because there is a formula existing, that is sin 2x. Sin 2x, the formula for sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. Okay, so sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x, whereas if we multiply 5 in the place of this, okay, so instead of this x, if we put 5x, see here, sin 2 into, in the place of x I will be substituting 5x. So it will become 2 sin, in the place of x we have to write 5x, and here also cos 5x. You can see here 2 sin 5x cos 5x. So 2 sin 5x cos 5x will become, so this is equal to sin 2 into 5 is 10. So sin 10x. So 2 sin x cos x. So 2 sin x cos x will become sin 2x, and 2 sin 5x and cos 5x. So 2 sin 5x cos 5x will become sin 10x. So instead of this, we can write it as sin 10x. So next, instead of this, we can write it as sin 2x. Sin 2x. After compare the answer, sin 2x into sin 10x. So this is the thing we have to prove. So we obtained it, right? Hence proved. So I hope you understood this. Let us move on to the 13th problem. It is also same as that of the previous one. So here cos square 2x minus cos square 6x. It is in the form of an algebraic expression, that is a square minus b square. So which is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So we can change the equation into this algebraic identity. Okay. So here it will become cos 2x plus cos 6x and cos 2x minus cos 6x. So again there is a formula in trigonometric functions, that is cos A plus cos B. Cos A plus cos B is equal to 2 cos A plus B by 2 and cos A minus B by 2. In the same way, cos A minus cos B will become minus 2 sin A plus B by 2 into sin A minus B by 2. So therefore, I will be taking first equation, that is cos 2x plus cos 6x. So here 2x will be A and 6x will be B. So it is in the form of cos A plus cos B. So it will become 2 cos A plus B, 2x plus 6x divided by 2 into cos A minus B, 2x minus 6x divided by 2. So here it will be 2 cos 2x plus 6x is 8x divided by 2 into cos minus 4x divided by 2. So here 2 4s are, here 2 2s are. So we will get 2 cos 4x into cos minus 2x. Okay. So in the same way we have to simplify the next equation, that is cos 2x minus cos 6x. So cos 2x minus cos 6x will be in the form of cos A minus cos B, where this formula will be applicable for that. That is minus 2 sin A plus B by 2, that is 2x plus 6x by 2 into sin A minus B by 2, that is 2x minus 6x whole divided by 2. So it will become minus 2 sin 8x divided by 2 into sin minus 4x divided by 2. Here 2 4s are and here 2 2s are. So it will be minus 2 sin 4x into sin minus 2x. So after this you have to remember one formula, that is cos of minus x is equal to cos x and sin of minus x is equal to minus sin x. Here cos of minus 2x will become cos 2x itself and sin of minus 2x will become minus sin 2x. So that one we have to interchange here, that is 2 into cos 4x, and since cos of minus 2x is there, it will become cos 2x into here minus 2 sin 4x into, so sin of minus 2x is minus sin 2x. It will be minus sin 2x. So in the next step, write the first one as same, that is cos 4x into cos 2x. So next is minus into minus will become plus. So here 2 sin 4x into sin 2x. Sin 2x. So next we will interchange the terms which are 4x and also 2x. So first we have to include 2 here, then sin 4x and cos 4x. In the same way, include another 2 here with sin 2x is there, sin 2x and cos 2x. So now it will become as a formula. Okay, 2 sin 4x cos 4x and 2 sin 2x cos 2x. So it is same as that of the formula sin 2x. So the formula for sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. Okay, so instead of this x, here 4x is taken. So if instead of this x 4x is taken, then it will become 2 sin 4x and cos 4x. Okay, so sin 2 into 4 is 8, therefore sin 8x will become 2 sin 4x into cos 4x. Okay, so sin 8x will become 2 sin 4x into cos 4x. In the same way, if we substitute 2x in the place of x, okay, sin 2 into, in the place of x we have to substitute 2x. So it will be 2 sin 2x into cos 2x. So here 2 into 2 is 4. So sin 4x is equal to 2 sin 2x into cos 2x. So 2 sin 2x into cos 2x will become sin 4x. So instead of 2 sin 4x and cos 4x, we can include sin 8x into, instead of 2 sin 2x into cos 2x, we can include sin 4x. So this is the thing we have to prove here. Sin 4x into sin 8x, sin 8x into sin 4x, both are same. Then write down, hence prove. I hope you understood this. Moving on to the 14th question. So here, prove that sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x is equal to 4 cos square x into sin 4x. Okay, here the question is sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x. So first I will be arranging these two equations, that is sin 2x plus sin 6x plus 2 sin 4x separately. Okay, so now this is in the form of formula sin A plus sin B. Sin A plus sin B is equal to 2 sin A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. Okay, so let us arrange this in the form of this formula. So it will become, here A is 2x and B is 6x. So it will become 2 sin 2x plus 6x by 2 into cos 2x minus 6x by 2 plus 2 sin 4x, we have to write it as it is. So next it will become 2 sin 6x plus 2x is 8x divided by 2 into cos minus 4x divided by 2 plus 2 sin 4x. So here 2 ones are 2 twos are and 2 ones are 2 fours are. So it will become 2 sin 4x into cos minus 2x plus 2 sin 4x. So here 2 sin 4x and 2 sin 4x is common. So we can take common here, 2 sin 4x. So when I take 2 sin 4x common, here remaining will be cos of minus 2x plus, when I took 2 sin 4x as common, here the remaining will be 1. So 2 sin 4x, we know that cos of minus x is equal to cos x itself, right? So cos of minus 2x will become cos 2x plus 1. So here one more formula we have to remember, that is there is a formula called cos 2x. So cos 2x is also equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. So this is a trigonometric formula. Cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. So instead of this cos 2x, we can substitute this formula, 2 cos square x minus 1. So write 2 sin 4x as it is, and instead of cos 2x, you have to write 2 cos square x minus 1. Here plus 1 is also there, write it down, plus 1. Here plus 1 and minus 1 get cancels. So remaining is 2 sin 4x into 2 cos square x. So here 2 into 2 is 4. So 4 into, first I will be writing cos square x here, cos square x into next is sin 4x. So whatever we have to prove, we obtained that. So write down hence proved. I hope you understood this. Let us move on to the 15th question. So 15th question is prove that cot 4x into sin 5x plus sin 3x is equal to cot x sin 5x minus sin 3x. So here I will be taking like LHS and RHS separately to calculate. LHS is cot 4x sin 5x plus sin 3x. We know that from trigonometric ratios, cot theta is equal to cos by sin, that is cos theta by sin theta. Okay, so cot theta is equal to cos by sin. So in the same way, here cot 4x is there. So we can write cot 4x as cos 4x by sin 4x. So next, so this is in the form of sin A plus sin B. So sin A plus sin B formula is 2 sin A plus B by 2. So here it will be A and this will be B. So 2 sin A plus B by 2 will be 5x plus 3x by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. It will be 5x minus 3x divided by 2. Right? So keep this as it is, cos 4x by sin 4x. So here this will become 2 sin 8x by 2 into cos 2x by 2. So 2 ones are 2 fours are, here 2 ones are. So it will become cos 4x by sin 4x. So this will be equal to 2 sin 4x into cos x. Here sin 4x and sin 4x get cancels. So remaining will be 2, here 2 is there, 2 cos 4x. So 2 into this cos 4x into cos x. Okay, this is the equation we obtained. So let this be equation number 1. Okay, in the same way we have to calculate the RHS also. So RHS is cot x sin 5x minus sin 3x. Here cot x I will be writing in the form of cos theta by sin theta. Okay, so it will be cos theta by, it will be cos x by sin x. Since in the place of theta they have given x here, we have to write cos x by sin x. So here this is in the form of sin A minus sin B. So sin A minus sin B is 2 cos A plus B by 2 into sin A minus B by 2. So write this as it is. So it will be cos x by sin x. So this will be 2 cos 8x by 2 into sin 2x by 2. So 2 fours are and 2 ones are. So this is cos x by sin x. So this will be 2 cos 4x into sin x. So here sin x and sin x get cancels. So remaining will be 2. So you have to put is equal to symbol here. So 2 cos 4x into cos x. Okay, let this be equation 1. So from 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So we can see here 2 cos 4x cos x, 2 cos 4x and cos x. So LHS is equal to RHS. So if LHS is equal to RHS, we have proved that cot 4x into sin 5x plus sin 3x is also equal to cot x into sin 5x minus sin 3x. So write it down, hence proved. So I hope you understood this. Moving on to the last question of this session, question 16, that is cos 9x minus cos 5x divided by sin 17x minus sin 3x will become minus sin 2x by cos 10x. So this is the thing we need to prove here. here cos 9x minus cos 5x. So it is in the form cos A minus cos B. So I have written the formula of it. Cos A minus cos B is equal to minus 2 sin A plus B by 2 and sin A minus B by 2. So therefore the numerator should be expanded in the form of this. So A is equal to 9x and B is equal to 5x. So numerator I will be arranging in the form of first formula. So cos A minus cos B is equal to minus 2 sin A plus B by 2. So 9x plus 5x divided by 2 into sin A minus B by 2, that is 9x minus 5x divided by 2. So this is the thing we need to remember. So next is denominator. So denominator is in the form of sin A minus sin B. So sin A minus sin B, I have written the formula 2 cos A plus B by 2 and sin A minus B by 2. So denominator will be changing in the form of second formula, that is 2 cos A plus B by 2. Here A is 17x and B is 3x divided by 2 into sin A minus B by 2. That is 17x minus 3x divided by 2. So here the numerator will become minus 2 sin 9x plus 5x is 14x divided by 2 into sin 9x minus 5x is 4x divided by 2. In the same way, the denominator will become 2 cos 20x, 17 plus 3 is 20, 20x divided by 2 and sin 17 minus 13 is 14x divided by 2. So here 2 ones are 2 sevens are, here 2 twos are, here 2 tens are and 2 sevens are. Okay. So the remaining in numerator is minus 2 sin 7x into sin 2x divided by, in the denominator it will become 2 cos 10x into sin 7x. Here 2 and 2 get cancels and sin 7x and sin 7x get cancels. The remaining is minus is here. So minus sin 2x divided by cos 10x. So whatever we need to prove, we got that. So write it down, hence proved. I hope you understood this. So this was the last question of this session. If you have any queries, doubts or suggestions on my videos, please comment me on the comment section. Thank you. Thanks a lot.